Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on parallel lines rules worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets on the topic of parallel lines, and we see what happens when the transversal cuts the parallel lines. Now, if you're not sure what to do here, there is a lesson on this very topic. On the last slide, you'll be directed to click on a particular link, and that link will take you to the lesson, and it will explain exactly what this topic is all about. And it will help you do all of these questions. So answer each of the following. Number one, here we have a diagram. There are two parallel lines, and then we have this line here. And that line is MK. So what is the name of the line MK in the above diagram? That appears in the lesson. Number two, name all the pairs of corresponding angles in the above diagram. We were introduced to the name corresponding angles in the lesson, so if you need to check up on what that actually means and what is involved, the link on the last slide will help you. Number three, name all the pairs of alternate angles in the above diagram. Exactly the same thing applies here. We were introduced to the words alternate angles. We saw what that meant. So you have to answer that question in relation to alternate angles. Number four, name all the pairs of co-interior angles in the above diagram. And we've also been introduced to that term there. So, I think we have one more slide, so let's have a look at that one. Number five. So again, here we have the parallel lines, and here's the line that cuts across, and I've named these 8 angles using the letters. Now the question here is, if angle D equals 60 degrees, what is the size of angle F? All this is in the lesson. The next one, if angle C equals 115 degrees, what is the size of angle E? And finally, if angle C is 115, so it's still, 115 degrees, what is the size of angle F? That's that one there. So this video has introduced us to some worksheets on the subject of parallel lines and 3 specific types of angles that are formed when this situation occurs. We have been asked to answer some questions, and if we need any extra help, on the next slide, just click on the link and it will take you to the lesson, and it will help you to do all the questions.